Hello, everybody. Hope you guys are doing great today. And today, I just wanted to talk to you guys about the one skill that the children of today will require in the future for sure. Right? We talk a lot nowadays about coding classes and the skill of coding, which has been promoted as one skill that children really need to have to be successful in their careers, and to do any kind of job, coding skills would be required. All I wanted to say is that is all good, and please put your child for coding classes if you think that might help them. But no man alive today can really predict what one technical skill will be required in the future, because with changing times and with artificial intelligence and biotechnology, technology is progressing so fast, nobody knows what's going to happen in the next 5, 10, 15 years, right? However, the one skill that is so important and will definitely be required by your child is emotional intelligence and mental balance. We all know how important this is in today's time, and we all have faced challenges in life. And the times that we are in today, all of us had to reinvent ourselves in terms of our work, our business, and do things very differently. And it is so critical to have these skills with us, without which it's going to be very difficult to live in these times, right? And we keep saying, we are very strong, and today's youth and today's children are very delicate and they are very weak. They are not like us. So if there is even an iota of truth in that statement, just imagine how much more they will need emotional intelligence and mental balance to live their life for all the challenges that life is going to throw at them, and for all the adaptations, all the modifications, all the changes they'll need to make in their life. How much more critical this is. And I was very happy. Just last week I was watching an interview by Yuval Noah Harari, who's a very noted Israeli historian and an author of many best-selling books, and he echoed exactly these words that I've been saying for a long time, that leave aside every other skill, the one skill that children of today require is emotional intelligence and mental balance, because that's the only thing that is going to hold them in good stead, right? So, and this is something that we need to inculcate in our children. It doesn't just happen by chance, right? Like you install an antivirus in your laptop, you need to install this way of thinking as a software into their brains now only, right? So that it becomes a way of life, it becomes the way they think becomes different, and they grow up to be happy, healthy, and successful individuals. And this is exactly what we discuss in my life skills program, right? We have batches starting the 1st of March. Sincere request to all parents, please don't think twice, please enroll your child for this program. And we've had rave reviews, and in fact the feedback that we've got from parents, we are shortly starting a life skills program for the adults too. I'll keep you all posted on that one, but in the meanwhile, don't let this opportunity go. The next batch starts on the 1st of March. Please enroll your child at the earliest. Please get in touch with us. I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.